Hey guys, hot off the boat. Delivered yesterday was the new Aonijie 5L hydration vest. From what I can see, this thing looks really similar to one of the Salomon packs. I think it's the Advanced Skin 5L Salomon. So it's pretty similar. The webbing material actually looks pretty decent, stretchy. It's got a double layer kind of wavy mesh here as well. The stitching looks good. The ribs look okay. Clips look alright as well, so those come across here. As far as pockets go, what do we got? So on the left chest, there's a pocket that can kind of take the whistle and gels. Big water bottle pocket. Then on the side, there's a zip pocket for a phone or something like. Oh no, hang on, that's not a zip pocket. That's something else. So that's probably a gel pocket. Another larger gel pocket, or first aid kit, or I don't know what. There's also a zip pocket in the back of that one too. So that's all on the left side. Let's head around to the right side. Right side's got a tag. Okay, so this has got a zip pocket on the chest and another water bottle pocket there. This side has also got, okay, so it's a similar situation, a larger pocket on the kind of the back side there, and another pocket there. Yeah. This has got the zip pocket underneath there as well. So yeah. Give me just a second. Okay, so the zip's open now, and this all looks like it's actually got decent stitching, which is good. This comes with, so it's got multiple pockets in here, so gear can go down in that front section. There's also a mesh pocket that came with a space blanket, which is nice. Hang on. Yeah, 160 by 210 cm space blanket, which is fairly big. It's negligible weight, I suppose. And then it also came with a, so it has also come with a bladder holder as well. So yeah, so the bladder can sit inside that and not get scratched, and the inside of that is lined. So yeah, inside looks like there's a little suspender for the bladder. So the bladder is sold separately, bottles are sold separately, and in here it's a double mesh again as well. So yeah, so that's the Aonijie 5 litre as I received it. I haven't taken it for a run yet. Yeah, do that soon. We'll see how we go. Oh, it's also got some pole holders, or I guess you could put a jacket, kind of shove a rain jacket through those loops there. Yeah, so this is Aonijie, with wind, I don't even know what that is, 5L, so reasonably new brand. That's on the lapel, that's over on that side, but yeah. And this is the LXL. So what's in here? Lots of writing. What do we got? It's all in Chinese. I don't know. I have no idea. Guarantee. There's a guarantee. That's nice. There you go. And these are the details. Yeah, there we are. So just some closing thoughts on the bag. Took it out today for a run for 12 kilometers. The bag did great. I loaded it up with over a litre in a bladder in the back, and these smaller 350 ml Aldi bottles in the front pockets. They fit really quite nicely actually. So look, I guess the question is a good value. I think your mileage may vary. It depends what your needs are. But for what I want to do, which is shorter trail runs, like not epic ultra stuff, but you know, sub-marathon trail running, I think it's fine. I think it's good. And for $35, you can't really go wrong. The only concern that I did have when I was putting it on and really trialing it was the stitching inside. I was worried that I could possibly get some chafing under the arms from the stitching on the inside here, but there was nothing. It was fine. Yeah. As far as sizing goes, I probably wouldn't want to have a chest bigger than mine. So I think the sizing says it's 97 centimeters chest up to about 107, 109 centimeters around your chest. I'm not a terribly big guy, but you wouldn't want to be much bigger. It does stretch, it does conform, but you know, there's limits. So yeah, I'd say definitely try one on for sizing if you can. I know these come from China, so whether you can get sizing or get one on to try, I don't know. But look, for the $35 punt for an average size guy or girl, you know, look, I don't think you can go too far wrong. It held up under load, it didn't chafe, it did the job, nothing broke. I had some also had some bandages in the pocket here and a torch in the front pocket on that side as well. So, you know, it was under load and it did the job fine. I don't have any complaints. It was one run, so we'll see how it copes under more use, but no complaints. It was good. So that's probably enough about, you know, cheap pack. You know, if you want one, go and get one. If you don't, get a good name brand one and go with what you know. At the end of the day, you've got to be comfortable with your gear. Cheers. Bye.